How to turn off Peacock TV notifications on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off Peacock TV notifications on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to turn off the notifications for the Peacock TV app, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all just make sure to launch the Peacock TV. And let's say you sometimes get marketing notifications that you don't really like and then you would like to disable that. It's very simple. Go to the settings application first and then go to notifications, and then from here you want to simply go to the option called Peacock. And once you go to Peacock TV here, you can see allow notifications. So all you have to do is just turn off the toggle next to allow notifications here. Once you've done that, what you still want to do is you can just go to series suggestions and look for the option known as Peacock TV here as well. So go to the P section and look for Peacock TV over here. Let me also go ahead and look for it and turn off the toggle next to Peacock, and you will no longer receive notifications from Peacock TV. This way you'll be able to actually go ahead and then basically turn off notifications from Peacock TV on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.